How's it going, guys? George here with another video. Yes, I know I've been doing a lot of LED bulb reviews and a lot of light bars and light mods on my truck and the Jeep. I just want to take the time to thank Auxbeam for always hooking it up. They're literally sending me stuff all the time for review. A lot of the stuff that I review are stuff that we need, stuff that I think will definitely benefit the visibility while driving and whatnot. These lights that they sent me are actually T10s. These are interior lights. For those of you guys that have Tacomas or any kind of Toyota or maybe a Honda or just any kind of vehicle, you guys know that the interior lighting sucks. It's not bright enough to read a book or even look for missing coins that you drop when you're in line for the drive-thru. So I figured, you know what, these are probably going to be super helpful, and why not? Let's do a quick review. So let's get started. For this install, all you're going to need is a prying tool like this one, or you can actually use a flathead screwdriver. Just be careful not to scrape or scratch the light or the bezel around it. As I was walking towards my truck to do this review, check it out. I got owned by the birds earlier. I did go fishing. I did not catch any fish, but I definitely got owned by the seagulls. So if you have a Tacoma, it should look something like this. When you turn them on, as you can tell, they are standard halogen bulbs. All you're gonna do is push in and pry out just like that. And they should pop right out. Same thing with this one. Push in and pry out. Just like that. As you can see, the bulb in there, it is pretty tricky. I do have fat fingers, so all you're gonna do is just work it and try to pull it out. Once you remove the stock halogen bulbs, they should look something like this. You just got to be really careful when you're prying them out. You don't want this thing to break in there, and you're not going to be able to take them out. This is a side-by-side comparison. We got the Auxbeam LED here, and then we got the stock one. The Auxbeam definitely seems a little longer, so hopefully it fits. And to install it, all you're gonna do is slide it in, just like that. Alright, so before you put the cover, you want to test them out. These are definitely brighter. Alright, once you know that they work, you can go ahead and put the covers back on. And to install the covers, all you're going to do is put them back in. Just like that, and it should click back in. As you can tell, these are definitely brighter. So the only problem that I ran into is these T10s only fit the front of the car. This one on this side, as you can tell, it's a different size, so I will have to order some of those. But man, these front ones already make a difference. So if you're looking to upgrade the lighting on the interior of your car, I would suggest getting some of these T10 light bulbs from Auxbeam. So the cool thing about buying these is you do get 5 pairs when you buy them, and honestly I only need 1 pair. Everything I've gotten from Auxbeam, not just because they send me stuff, everything is built to quality. So I haven't had any issues yet with any of the stuff they sent, so I doubt I'm going to be needing all these other pairs. What I'm going to be doing for you guys, I'm going to be giving out a pair to the first person that comments on this video. And not only that, but the rest of them, I'm going to be going to a meet tomorrow, which is the 28th, here in Pico Rivera, California. And all you have to do to get a pair is go up to me and just say, hey, I need a pair of those Auxbeam T10 LED bulbs, and I'll make sure to give you one. I'm also going to be giving a pair out on my Instagram. I'm going to be doing just a quick giveaway. I'll have details on my Instagram. So thank you guys for watching again. And if you guys want to upgrade your lighting, you already know Auxbeam is the way to go. And like always, man, it's pretty bright in here. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.